cheer, go, machine.
So this is our Rube Goldberg machine diagram. So get up a little bit closer. As you can see, it says turning off a light switch, Rube Goldberg machine. And so this Rube Goldberg machine is going to accomplish turning off a light switch. So this is one of those little wind-up cars that you had when you were a kid. So it's going to go ahead and roll down this ramp, hit this wind cord. The wind cord is going to push the marble. The marble will be forced down a tech ramp, fly out, Kobe into a cup. The cup will get weighed down due to the density of the marble. And it's going to incline the piece of cardboard, forcing this little car to move down, hit the dominoes, bang, 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 hits a ping pong ball will go bing, 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 hits the hair dryer or blow dryer, and it will fly up, Kobe into another cup, which then turns off the light, and that's how our Rube Goldberg machine works. So, variable in our Rube Goldberg machine is friction. The two frictions acting on it are sliding and static friction. Sliding friction is when an object will slide over the top of a surface. Static friction is so what happens is it's a type of friction that is static, of course. That's what it's static friction. So they'll just run some technical difficulties here. Okay, buddy. Oh, a friction that acts on objects that are not moving. Go.
Hey there, my name is Tuski, and I'm going to talk to you about how rolling friction, not even doing rolling friction, that's all, about how Newton's third law, action and reaction, applies to our Rube Goldberg machine. Action and reaction applies to our Rube Goldberg machine because for every action, there's a reaction. For example, like, imagine this is a baseball bat, and a baseball is coming. So if you hit the baseball with the bat, the action is the bat hitting the baseball and it going way off into the stars. But the reaction is the baseball actually hitting the bat and going off into the stars. So we have many actions and reactions in our Rube Goldberg machine project. And one of them is when the Matchbox car will roll down the ramp and it will hit the wind cord. When it hits the wind cord, that's the action. But the reaction will be the wind cord actually hitting the Matchbox car.
Yeah, so Newton's first law is when an object is in motion, it stays in motion, and the Rube Goldberg machine is in motion at all times. To start all the motion, we have the Kachiga dude from Lightning McQueen, the first one, Cars, and he's gonna roll, and then once that thing rolls into the pulley system, it's all in motion, and that's Newton's first law, and it won't stop. The motion won't stop until the ping pong ball at the very end is at rest on the in the cup that's connected to the light, and then it's all in motion. Newton's first law. 2, 1, go!
I didn't want to miss that one.
It didn't go in, but it's...
Charles.
We are the champions, my friends. The ball didn't go in the cup, but still worked. Hello, Lucas here again. We just let Mrs. Gory watch our Rube Goldberg machine video, and we're just gonna ask her some questions. Mrs. Gory, why do you think the Rube Goldberg machine worked?
That is a very good question. Because you had the ramps, and it could build momentum and go up and then back down.
Very nice, very nice. If you could do this Rube Goldberg machine, what would you change?
I would change the ramps so there was more momentum so that it would hit where it was supposed to hit. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. And do you guys have any other questions?
Did you like our project?
Yes.
Okay, Mrs. Gory right there. Can we give her a round of applause? All right.
Thank you.
So I'm here with Mr. May, our English teacher, our language arts teacher. We're gonna have a few questions for you today. We have a visitor. So what did you like about our project, Mr. May?
Everything. It was well designed, well crafted, well executed. Like a standard lesson that I would have written myself.
Ah, very good. If you were to change anything, just witnessing the video, what would you change?
I guess I would change the bucket at the end because it didn't seem to serve a purpose because the ball missed it. So maybe take the bucket off your bucket list.
Oh! Very good. That's all we have with Mr. May today, folks. You guys have a great day, and we will catch you in Mr. Washington's room.
Thank you, Mr. May.
Thank you, Mr. Oh!
Way back the way. Way back the way. Get right here. Get me. Get me. I want to see what I look like when I do that. Pause. End it.